Guys, I can't believe I did this on my own. I just built my dream house using this app. Look at it. This is my dream house. As you can see, it's funny, right? And look at the 3D version of the house. This is the 3D version of the house. See? This is just the 3D version of the house. Look. This is a 3-bedroom house. This is one, and this is another one, while this is the master bedroom. This room and this room are sharing this bathroom, while this master bedroom has this one. And this place here you are seeing, this is the back actually. This is the back, and this is the kitchen, while this is the store. So this is the sitting room, and this is the front. This is the back. This master bedroom has this bathroom. This room and this room are sharing this bathroom. This is the dining room, this is the kitchen, this is the store, and this place is the back. And I want to give it a stairs. This is upstairs. You can just get in. Look at the place. So if you get into the living room here, you just get up like this and come to the second floor. So this is my dream house I've just built. I'm just learning, eh? That's why I'm so surprised I did it on my own without watching any tutorial. I would like to make tutorials on how to do this on your own, and I would like you guys to join me. So I'll be making some short tutorial and explain what I know about this so that we'll learn together. I hope you enjoy this. This is the 2D version of the house. This is the 2D version. These things you are seeing, they are not actually the measurements. This is the bed, this is the room sofa, this is the let me call it cupboard anyway. This is it. Alright, so if you want the 3D version of it, this is the 3D version of it. Alright, and I can easily change it to something else. Wait for it. Alright, this is it. It has changed. This is it. See how beautiful it is. I just did it on my own without watching a tutorial. So I'll be uploading short videos on how to do this on your own. Alright, and if you don't want these lines, you can just do this, and this is it. Alright, look at it. Very beautiful. And I can simply change this again to this right mode. Look at it. Also, I can simply make it again to the transparent mode. Just that before creating this thing, you need to sign up, and also you need to be online. It's an online software. Alright, it's an online software. I'll be explaining everything I know, and we'll be learning together. Okay, this is it. I just did this. I just imagined and I did this one, and I felt good anyway. So guys, feel free to subscribe, because we'll be learning here how to do this on our own. Just subscribe right now.